Hi everyone, welcome back to the Data Guy, your go-to channel for mastering data engineering tools and concepts. If you are new here, I am Vishal and I create videos to help you build a strong foundation in data engineering. In this video, I will show you step by step how to set up a free Azure trial account and create your first Databricks workspace. You will also learn how to run a simple notebook so you can start experimenting with big data and Spark without spending a single penny. So in this video, we will see what is Azure Databricks, setting up a free Azure account, creating a Databricks workspace, running your first notebook. So before we dive into the setup, let's quickly understand what Azure Databricks is and why you should care. Azure Databricks is a cloud-based data and AI platform. Think of it as a one-stop shop for processing massive amounts of data, building machine learning models, and creating insightful dashboards, all in a collaborative environment. It's built on Apache Spark, which is like a super fast engine for processing big data. Databricks takes Spark and makes it better with an easy to use interface, powerful tools, and seamless integration with Azure services like Azure Data Lake, Blob Storage, and Power BI. Azure Databricks is perfect for data engineers to clean and transform huge data sets, for data scientists to build machine learning models, and for data analysts to create dashboards and reports from data. Companies use Azure Databricks to clean and process data for reports, train machine learning models, and scale their big data projects easily. Now that you know what Azure Databricks is, let's set it up with the free trial account. Now, to set up the free Azure trial, here is what you will need. You will need a Microsoft account, Outlook or Gmail, and a valid credit or debit card for the verification purpose. Now, don't worry, here you won't be charged. So Azure provides $200 worth of free credits for 14 days. So make sure you don't exceed the limit. Here, go to Azure free trial. Click on the first link here. Click on try Azure for free. Now, here sign in using your Microsoft account, or if you don't have one, you can create one from here. So after signing in, enter your card details for identity verification. Now here, remember, Azure won't charge you unless you explicitly upgrade to a paid plan. Now once the verification is complete, you will land in the Azure portal with your free credits ready to use. So here I have already done that. So here you can see this is your Azure portal dashboard basically. And here now here we will set up our Azure Databricks workspace. Let's first create a resource group. Now a resource group, it is a container that holds related resources for an Azure solution. The resource group includes those resources that you want to manage as a group. You decide which resources belong in a resource group based on what makes the most sense for your organization. Now here you can see I have multiple resources created. Let's click on create. Once you click on create here, you will be asked to give a name to your resource group. Let's call it first resource group, and I will select the region as a Central India. Click on review and create. So that's it, your resource group is created. Once the resource group is created, go to home, and here you can see Azure Databricks, or you can search it from here also. So click on Azure Databricks. Now here we will create a workspace. Let's click on create. Here we will select free trial, and here you can see the resource group which we created. Click on this. Now give your workspace a name. Let's call it first demo workspace. Keep the region as a Central India. and here pricing tier we will select trial. Click on next networking. Keep the other settings as it is. You don't need to change anything here. Click on review and create. Click on create. So we have created our resource group. This will take some time. So it will take some time for deployment. If we go here back, you can see Azure Databricks demo. I have already created the workspace here. Let's click on it and click on launch workspace. Now once you click on launch workspace, you will be redirected to this Databricks dashboard here. First, let's create a cluster. Click on compute. Click on create compute. Here you have the option to create different kinds of cluster. Let's click on personal compute. Now here we'll select the runtime version as 15.4 LTS. Always select LTS version. We will keep the node type as it is, and here we will change it to 120 minutes so that our cluster will terminate after 120 minutes of inactivity. Keep the other settings as it is. Here you have the option to add different Spark configurations and environment variables. Click on create compute. Now once you click on this, your cluster will be created. So here you can see I already have one cluster running. So after creating a cluster, go to workspace, click on create notebook. Here we will call it, let's call it demo notebook. We will connect it to our Spark cluster, and here we will run our sample code. Print hello Databricks. Let's run it. This way you can run your code in Azure Databricks. Tips for free trial usage. To make the most of your free credits, stop or delete clusters when not in use. Monitor resource usage from the Azure portal. Use smaller cluster for experimentation. Azure's free credits are valid for 14 days, so explore Databricks while studying within limits. And that's it. You now have a free Azure account, a Databricks workspace, and you have run your first notebook. I hope this video helps you get started with Azure Databricks. If you have any questions or face issues during setup, drop a comment below and I will help you out.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the Data Guy for more beginner friendly data engineering content, and share this video with someone who is just starting out. Have questions or ideas for future videos? Drop them in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, happy coding.